These need to be polished because they're a little hazy, which happens, but I'm going to do it in real time so you'll see how easy it is to do this. And I'm going to use orange Carworks tape, Meguiars PlastX, Milwaukee standard polisher with the 4.0 battery. I got some microfiber. This is the DMC 3-inch. These are cutting. This is a custom one I cut, and this will be my first pass because this will take out the majority of the oxide, the yellow dirty stuff, and then I'll finish it off with a cleaner microfiber. Now this one here, this one I custom cut, so it's actually smaller than the diameter of the backing pad, but it doesn't matter because I'm floating on top here. I'm not going to be dealing with body panels. It's been working with staying parallel to the surface, and then of course finish it off with this. So this is really easy to do. This is going to make it quicker. So to show you how fast it's done, I'm going to do it in real time, and you'll know that it's not that big a deal. But if you want to see, now there's two different size tapes. This is 1.5 inch. This is 3/4. Together, 2 rolls of 3/4 make 1.5 inches. These are pricey. These are more economical. Well, you'll have to use 2 passes of tape, but hopefully you just have to use 1 pass of tape. When you use one thick one, it covers a lot of area, but this is like $5-6. This is like $3. So $6 goes faster than the inexpensive $3 ones. So all you gotta do is basically tape around the edges so you don't have as much polish going into the crevice. It just makes cleanup a lot easier. Makes it a lot easier. Show you how I do it. First I get the long pass. Then I'll follow up the short passes. Now get started. And the other headlight I'll use my hand. So there's not much left in here. Just enough. Just enough. Just do that. So I got it set on the 1, 0 to 2800 RPM. And the battery is at 4 dots. So all I gotta do is start at one end and go down. Just a quick cleanup. Just gonna do a quick pass. Not a total restoration on the headlights. It's still gonna get yellow after a while anyway. Just a maintenance polish. Okay, now switcheroo. Show you how dirty it is. Not too bad. Put the new one on and test spin it. Should be a little bit more centered. Okay, then clean it up. That's it. We'll have to clean. Now I'll be able to see better. Okay, and here's the other one. Got a little haze to it. See the haze to it. We're going in the winter. It's gonna get pelted with rock salt, snow, sleet, whatever dirt that's gonna be kicked up from everyone. So I'll be able to see better, and that's good for right now. And time to take all this stuff off. Peel it back on itself. All right. A little bit of dirt on the pad, on the microfiber, but the headlight is a lot cleaner. Now this one I'll use my hand. In case you don't have a Milwaukee polisher, you just want to use your hand. I just take the paper towel, wrap it around my hand like this. So it's I'm one with the paper towel now. A little here, a little there. There we go. Rub it like that. Tell it's getting cleaner because it's starting to squeak. There. See all the dirt that comes off? Now just flip it to the good side. Polish it out. There. Done. Have a closer look. That's fast. So that's all you gotta do. If you want to see more clearly, you're gonna have to clean up your headlights. And the easiest way is either with paper towel, some of this stuff, and I bought this on my own, not sponsored. So go pick some of this up if you like this video and you want to make your headlights look a lot cleaner. And then, of course, if you want to use a machine, this does a trick too. So, here you go. Thanks for watching.